Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Hello Word, the podcast where we explore the English language one word at a time. I'm your host, Alex, and today's word is creative. It's a fun one, so let's dive right in. What does creative mean? Well, at its core, creative means having original ideas. It's all about being imaginative and inventive. Think of someone who's good at art, writing, or even solving problems in a unique way. They're likely to be creative. We use creative to describe people, things, and even processes. For example, you might say, "She's a very creative artist," or "That was a creative solution to the problem." Now, let's explore some synonyms, words that mean something similar to creative. One great synonym is imaginative. You could say, "He's an imaginative writer. His stories are always full of new ideas." Another one is inventive. For example, "She's an inventive cook. She always comes up with new recipes." We also have original. "That's an original painting. I've never seen anything like it before." Another possibility is innovative. The company is known for its innovative products. Finally, consider the word ingenious. "That was an ingenious plan. It's sure to work." Now that we've got synonyms down, let's look at antonyms, words that mean the opposite of creative. A good antonym is unimaginative. You could say, "The report was quite unimaginative. It lacked any new ideas." Another one is unoriginal. For instance, "That's an unoriginal idea. I've heard it many times before." Another antonym is conventional. His approach was very conventional. He didn't try anything new. Similarly, we can use routine. Her work is very routine. There's nothing exceptional about it. Finally, consider the word standard. It's a very standard design. Nothing stands out. So how do we use creative in everyday life? Well, think about hobbies. If you enjoy painting, drawing, writing, or even cooking, you're probably engaging your creative side. You might say to a friend, "I'm feeling creative today. I think I'll try painting something." Or if someone asks you for help with a problem, you might say, "Let's get creative and see if we can find a solution together." You might even describe a gift as a creative present. Now, let's put creative into a few sentences and phrases. She has a creative mind. Creative thinking is essential for problem solving. The children were encouraged to be creative during art class. He took a creative approach to marketing the product. The company is looking for creative individuals to join their team. It was a very creative solution to a difficult problem. Being creative can make life more interesting. She is a very creative writer. He is a very creative chef. The movie had a very creative storyline. They found a creative way to reduce waste. The kids used creative methods to decorate their classroom. The new museum had a creative design. The advertisement was highly creative. I'm trying to be more creative in my cooking. We use the word creative to express that something is original or innovative. We often use the word creative in combination with thinking. Someone who is creative can be very helpful in a team because they can offer new ideas. That brings us to the end of today's episode. We've explored the meaning of creative, its synonyms like imaginative, inventive, original, innovative, and ingenious, and its antonyms like unimaginative, unoriginal, conventional, routine, and standard. We've also seen how to use creative in everyday life and in various sentences. I hope you found this helpful and have a better understanding of the word creative. Thank you for joining me on Hello Word. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others find the show and learn English with us. Also, I'd love to see how you can use creative in a sentence. Share your own sentence about creative as a comment under the video. I look forward to reading them. See you next time for another word adventure.